In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an Amazon order. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your Amazon application, or you can do this on the browser version as well. And once you're here on the bottom, you're going to see your profile icon in one of the tabs on the bottom. There's 5 different tabs. Go to the second tab, which is the profile icon. Then on the top left, you're going to see orders as one of the options. So go ahead and click on orders. Now over here, you're going to see everything that you previously ordered. So all you want to go ahead and do is click on whichever order you want. And then once you go ahead and click on it, it's obviously, it's not going to be dispatched or out of delivery or anything like that. But one of the options you're going to see is cancel order. So all you want to do is press cancel order right there. It's going to say cancel items. It says if you've been charged, a refund is going to be processed and available within 5 to 7 days. So all you want to do is select whichever thing you want. And then you can put a cancellation reason as well if you want to. And then just press request cancellation like so. And then it's going to say cancellation successful. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.